Hello and good day. My name is Chris Palmer, and in today's Black Hat SEO tools that they won't talk about, what I want to share with you is a Black Hat SEO tool that can not only go out and grab content for you so you no longer have to, B, auto generate your website content for you, and C, automatically spin and make sure that all the content is unique. This is a auto blogging software that is so easy to use, and no one is talking about it until today. So I really don't want to waste any time. I want to get with you and share with you this awesome WordPress tool that you can go and get today that will help you start auto-generating content, spinning content, auto-blogging content. You can also plug in your APIs for AI content. But before I get into that, please visit chrispalmermarketing.com for all of your SEO needs. Now, this video, if you look in the description, there will be a link. But let me go ahead and walk you through this tool. And the tool I'm talking about today is Cyber SEO Pro Syndicator. So if you haven't heard about this, I know there's other tools on the market, but not quite like this one, I assure you. This is a WordPress plugin, but it does so much. I'm going to try to go through a lot of the functionalities and the features with you right now. But this isn't a sponsored video. I'm not here to, I just want to share this with you, because if you're into auto blogging or creating blogs, or you're trying to do affiliate or whatever you're trying to do, this will speed up your process immensely. The first thing I want to share with you is it is a plugin. So all you'll do is you will add the plugin to your WordPress background. All right. So you'll upload it just like any other plugin. So you'll download it and upload it as a plugin. Once you have it as a plugin, one of the first ways that you can go out and start grabbing content is by utilizing XML sitemaps. Now there's actually a drop down here. So AW Empire, Amazon product search, Atom and RSS feeds, Bongo cams, like there are so many ways that you can auto go out and grab content and bring it in and actually auto spin it and auto post it. It's disgusting. There's so many different ways that you can go out there and just grab content, auto spin and repost it. This tool makes it so easy. On top of that, there's a free, it comes with the actual plugin. There's a free extension that if you want to, you can auto put in just the URLs of the site, grab the content, and then auto spin it. I'm going to share with you the different spinners and also how you can plug in your APIs for, say, DaVinci or OpenAI APIs to make everything even easier. But let's keep going through these functionalities. So one of the first things that you can do is you can come in here and auto add, or not auto, but you can come in here and add multiple XML you can come in here and add RSS feeds, more than one, multiples. So every time they update their feed, your site updates. It'll auto spin it and auto post it. So that's one of the first ways that you can add content. Also, what I want to share with you is here, we'll come down here into general settings. And as you can see, you can pull in, it'll auto grab as many of those RSS feeds as you want. All right. It'll automatically do it. You could set how many minutes. On top of that, you can take care of your internal linking. You can set the internal links. On top of that, if there's any other links that are inside of there, you can auto set how you want them to be handled. No follow, no refer, right? However you want those internal links to be taken care of. On top of that, it also pulls in the images. And what makes this even better is now with AI capabilities, we can pull in images, or we can auto generate them utilizing Dolly. Right? Super crazy. So I want to go ahead and share this with you. Look at how many different features there are. You can take care of your link sources, downloading the images, auto installing the text. See, this is another one you're going to have to do it automatically. You could disable feed URLs. There's so much customization with this tool. It's remarkable. On top of that, you're going to add your accounts, modification tools. I'll go ahead and share that with you now. So if you want to execute any type of PHP code, aside from the stuff that you're syndicating or you're auto-generating for your auto blog, this will certainly help it out for you. All right. On top of that, it's automatically, or it comes built in all of these different spinners. So built-in synchronizer, that's one piece that you could use, which is going to take care of different synonyms, switching out synonyms. But you could also plug this into Spinner Chief, Spin Rewriter, Word AI, Chimp Rewriter, ES Spinner, TBS, the best spinner, X Spinner and Text Robot. Never heard of this one. All right. Now, it gets even better than this. If you don't want to spin your text, right? So say we put in a bunch of different RSS feeds, right? Say you got 20 RSS feeds in here, 10 from your competitors, 10 from top performers. You're bringing in all of the content. If you don't want to spin it, there's also a way to, there's even more. There's so much here. It's hard for me to concentrate, but check this out. Look at this. Duplicate post finder. So it'll go out there and take care of that for you, included unpublished, included in pages. So it'll let you know if you've already created something. This is really cool. Then you have your auto comments. So if you want to have a comment section, or you want to increase maybe the density or the word count, or you want to have like maybe like a straw man conversation to increase the over SEO of the page, you can do that right in here. It'll create its own little comment section. Insane, right? And then on top of this, there's a syndication log. But I want to go ahead and show you this as well. So here's the SEO Pro, CSV and dump file. So I already shared this with you. You can come in here and add multiple RSS feeds. All right, you need to be careful though. Be very careful when you're pulling in feeds. Be careful who you take feeds from, but I'm just here to share this with you. This is a black hat tool. This is a grayer hat tool, so be very careful. I just wanted to show this to you, okay? But you still need to be careful, all right? On top of this, we have general settings. So here's our other pull modes. So if we come in here, you can do auto or by cron job. This is completely up to you. And then if you come inside of here, I'll show this to you. Reset, here's your accounts. Inside of these accounts, you can also put in your OpenAI API key, right? So this will take care of your DaVinci's, your Ada's, whatever type of AI content you want to utilize, right? This could be great for the comment section, or it could also be really great for, say, the spinning or the rephrasing of content. I grab it, I syndicate it, and then I want to rephrase it. Perfect for something like that. Also inside of here, see, we also have them for images, right? So it'll take care of the images. It can pull them in or spin them. Not spin them, but you can either pull them in or you can generate them with this tool. If you don't want to utilize OpenAI or any of those other spinners, there is Article Forge. If you like Article Forge, I know they've updated a lot of things. It's up to you if you want to utilize that. Pixabay, so when we're pulling in photos, say you pull in a feed and they're supposed to be particular images, we can go out and we can swap out the images that were there and put in free images. When I'm telling you that what this does is auto generates a blog for you, regardless of the niche, topic, or industry, that's what this tool does. This tool is made for auto generating blogs in order to help you start making some coinage, right? If you want to start doing affiliate, whether you're in local, if you want to start generating funds easily and quickly, this tool can help you out, all right? On top of that, you can auto feed in any of your Facebook information, IG information. It's really endless what you can do. The capabilities are completely mad with this tool. This is one of the sickest WordPress plugins that I've personally have seen. If you want, you could check out the first comment below. I'll give you a link over to it, but it's Cyber SEO. You have to check it out. It's absolutely phenomenal. They didn't ask me to make this. I just wanted to share this with you. Nobody else is. So here it is, Cyber SEO, auto blogging software, completely sick. I hope you love it. I hope I open your eyes a little bit. And thank you for joining me in today's Black Hat SEO tools that no one else and they aren't talking about. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.